how we can see our PDFs on HMI. Hello guys, I hope you're well. In this video I want to show you how you can just browse your PDFs on HMI. It's so easy. Just add the PDF here, I put it, and you have a file name. It's not really necessary, but I recommend it as use a tag for file name tag. We will put our address here to just load the PDF. These are about appearance, they are not really important. So this is a text, and this is IO field that I just call the same tag. And as you can see, lots of feature on HMI, they activated on events. So just go to, for example, on the button, add function, and just search PDF. As you can see, PDF it to height, to width, go to first page, go to last page, go to previous page, scroll, zooming, zoom original, and zoom out. I just put two buttons here, and on the click I use event, PDF zoom in and PDF zoom out, and let's see how does it work. Before that, let's just go to on runtime. Okay, I don't have any PDF here. I want to show you how we can assign the address. For example, this is a PDF. Okay, this is my PDF. How we can use it. For example, this is my desktop, and okay, this is the name of my desktop. User S on desktop, and just say si.pdf. I copy it and just hit enter to be sure that your address is correct, and just bring it here and paste it here. Just hit enter. Okay guys, as you can see, you can scroll your PDF and you can zoom in and zoom out. That's it guys. If you like this video, please like the video and share it to your friend. Have a good time.